Have you ever pondered over the concept of a codebook vector? It's a fascinating subject, and one that often leaves people scratching their heads in confusion. But fear not, for today we're about to unravel the mystery of codebook vectors. Imagine, if you will, a list of numbers. These aren't just any numbers though, they share the same input and output attributes as your training data. This, dear listeners, is the essence of a codebook vector, a term you might hear thrown around in the realm of machine learning and data science. So, how does a codebook vector work? Picture a library. Each book in that library has a unique identifier, a number, that helps you find it among the thousands of other books. The library in this case is your dataset. The unique identifiers? Those are your codebook vectors. They help you find specific pieces of data within your set. Now, when training a model, you'd want to ensure that the model can identify patterns and make predictions. By mapping the data to a set of codebook vectors, you can reduce the dimensionality of the data. This makes it easier for your model to process the data and identify patterns. In essence, a codebook vector is a form of data compression. It simplifies complex data sets, making them easier to navigate and understand. It's like having a map that guides you through a dense forest of information. Now let's summarize the key points about codebook vectors. Firstly, a codebook vector is a list of numbers that share the same input and output attributes as your training data. Secondly, they act as unique identifiers, helping you locate specific pieces of data within your set. Thirdly, they play a crucial role in data compression, reducing dimensionality to make data sets easier to process. And finally, they're instrumental in machine learning and data science, aiding models in pattern recognition and prediction making. So, the next time you hear the term codebook vector, you'll know exactly what it means. It's not just a list of numbers, but a powerful tool in the world of data science. One that simplifies, identifies, compresses, and aids in the understanding of complex data sets. And with that, we've demystified the concept of codebook vectors. Remember, every complex concept can be simplified, and every mystery can be solved. All it takes is a little curiosity and a willingness to learn.